Hey, what's up guys? So today we're going to be looking at conditional formatting in Excel and basically what conditional formatting does is it says that if a cell meets a certain criteria, then to highlight that or change it and make it a different color, just so you can identify it. So basically to get to the conditional formatting function, we want to go to home and it's right there, it's conditional formatting up in the ribbon. So what we want to do is use conditional formatting not to only just highlight the cell, but to highlight the whole row. So in this data set, I've got names of employees, date joined, contract days, so how long they're going to be working, when they're going to be leaving, and what the date is today. So what we want to highlight in this data set is if the employee has already left the business, and we want to highlight the whole row rather than just one cell. So let me show you how that's done. Okay, so if you highlight your data table and you go over to conditional formatting and manage rules, new rule, and we want to use a formula to determine which cells we want to highlight. On the formula section, we want to say basically if this date here, and you want to F4 on that, so you want to make sure that the dollar sign is before the cell number, and you want to say if that is less than or equal to today, then what we want to do is basically change that to say red. So what I've done there is clicked on format and just clicked on you can select any color you want, but I've gone for red just so we can highlight who's left already. And if we click OK, apply, OK again, and there you go, it highlights the whole row rather than just one cell. So what it's saying is that these guys have left the business, that's the date today, and these guys are still here, they're going to be working onwards. And yeah, it's such a cool trick. If we were to just test that and change one of these dates to put it lower than today's date, so let's say 180420, and there you go, it changes the whole row, and yeah, it looks amazing. I hope you enjoyed the video guys, and please subscribe, and thanks a lot for your time.